have the German reel. This is the DAM, D-A-M, Quick 400. This one picked up at a local garage sale. These are made so differently than just about everything else on the market, and it's a fantastic reel. Nice vintage look to it, and after it got cleaned up, it's still ready to go. Anti-reverse is fascinating. You get this little post pin here that you can go in either direction, loosen it up, and you can actually have the anti-reverse. And if you wanted to use the reel right-handed, I guess you could, and then you can flip it around this way and use it left-handed. So very interesting design.